Welcome to Part 2, the intermediate journey deepening your practice. As you transition from the foundational elements of Kai exercises into more intermediate practices, the focus shifts from basic movements and meditations to a more profound connection with your internal energy. This stage is about refining your skills, deepening your understanding, and expanding your capacity to control and direct Kai for health, well-being, and spiritual growth. Enhancing your connection with Kai. At the intermediate level, the exercises become more intricate, requiring a greater level of focus, intention, and internal awareness. This is where you start to explore the subtleties of Kai flow within your body and learn to manipulate this energy more effectively. Addressing deeper pain points. As your practice deepens, so does your ability to address more entrenched issues. These might include chronic stress, deeper layers of anxiety, more persistent physical discomforts, or emotional blockages. The intermediate exercises are designed to target these deeper pain points, offering more nuanced solutions to restore balance and harmony. Intermediate practices to cultivate and control Kai. 1. Golden ball exercise. This practice involves visualizing a golden ball of energy between your hands, manipulating its size and moving it around your body with your hands and mind. This exercise enhances your sensitivity to Kai and improves your ability to direct energy for healing and balance. 2. Silk reeling exercises central to Tai Chi and Qigong. Silk reeling involves continuous, spiral movements that emanate from the body's core. These movements help to integrate the body and mind, enhance fluidity, and promote the smooth flow of Kai throughout the meridians. 3. Standing pole meditation. Zhuang. Unlike the basic standing meditation, Zhuang requires you to hold specific postures for extended periods, building internal strength, stability, and a deeper awareness of Kai. It's a powerful practice for cultivating internal energy and resilience. 4. 5 animals play inspired by the movements and spirits of 5 animals: tiger, deer, bear, monkey, and crane. This Qigong practice encourages you to embody the qualities of these animals. It's not only a physical exercise but also a way to connect with the elemental energies and characteristics of each animal, enhancing your flexibility, strength, and Kai flow. 5. Microcosmic orbit meditation. This advanced technique involves guiding Kai through the 2 primary meridians, the Ren, front, and Du, back, channels, in a continuous loop. This practice helps in clearing blockages, balancing yin and yang energies, and enhancing spiritual awareness. Deepening your Tai Chi practice. As you progress, your Tai Chi forms should become more than mere physical movements. They should transform into a moving meditation, a dance of energy. Each posture and transition is an opportunity to explore the flow of Kai, to understand its pathways, and to refine your control over this life force. The emphasis should be on the quality of movement, the depth of your breath, and the clarity of your intention. Advanced meditation techniques. To complement your physical practices, integrate advanced meditation techniques focusing on deeper levels of mindfulness, visualization, and energetic cleansing. Techniques such as the inner smile meditation or sound healing Qigong can offer profound insights into the nature of Kai and its impact on your physical and emotional well-being. Conclusion: the path of mastery. The intermediate journey in Kai exercises is a path of both refinement and discovery. It's about honing your skills, deepening your connection with the internal energy, and exploring the more subtle aspects of your practice. As you continue to engage with these intermediate techniques, you'll find not only improved health and vitality but also a deeper sense of peace, balance, and connection with the world around you. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination, and every step brings new insights and opportunities for growth.